friends, today we're going to be taking our mid-chapter check to see how we're doing with measurements so far. So on the first page, we have numbers 3 and 4 that will ask us the measurement question. Number 3 says, Lee has a paper strip chain that is 25 inches long. He unhooks 13 inches from the chain. How long is Lee's paper strip chain now? So you're going to make sure that you write your addition or subtraction sentence on the line and then put your final answer on this blank. You also have this number line to use to help you solve. Number 4, Sue has 2 ribbons that have the same length. She has 18 inches of ribbon in all. How long is each ribbon? So remember, we're looking at 18 inches and seeing how could we split that equally in 2? Because she has 2 ribbons. And if you add those 2 ribbons together, you get 18 inches. So what could be the size of each ribbon? What 2 of the same number equals up to 18? So again, you'll write your addition or subtraction sentence on the line and put your final answer. On the next side, with number 1, make sure you have your colored tiles because it says use colored tiles, measure the length of the object in inches. So use your color tiles to see about how many inches this string is. And number 2, you are estimating, which means you're making your best guess as to how long the string is. The bead is 1 inch long. Circle the best estimate for the string. So if this is 1 inch, how many beads do we think we could fit on the string? We have 1 inch, 2 inches, or 5 inches. Draw a diagram. Write a number sentence using a blank for the missing number and solve. So this one is like our problems on the page before. We want to write our addition and subtraction number sentence and put our final answer on the line. A mark is 17 inches long. Katie erases 9 inches from the mark. How long is the mark now? Number 4, use an inch ruler. What is the length of the string to the nearest inch? You'll need to use your ruler and measure and see how many inches you think the string is. When you're done, double check your work, go over your addition or subtraction sentences and make sure that you counted correctly. Make sure your name is at the top and turn it in.